It's important to understand the organizational roles of data analysis from a high level. Again, there are many interpretations of these roles. It varies by organization based on what they do, the size of their data, their workforce, and who they serve. For example, a company that serves 1,000 individuals will have a different strategy and maybe different roles than an organization that is highly regulated and serves millions of people. There isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy for any given organization, but there are some key organizational roles that are sometimes filled by departments, committees, or even individuals. I would like to focus on 4 key areas that you might find. No matter how small or how large an organization is, these are some pretty major areas. Research. Research helps define the questions to be answered, helps establish parameters of your data, and in this role you will find people who specialize in key areas of the business. They're focused on methods, and they also spend time with statistical outcomes. Data governance is as much a process as it is a role, but let's focus on the organizational role of data governance. This role ensures that ownership and accountability of data is clearly defined. It also ensures that people in the organization who need access are allowed access to the data. It's also a role that should cross all departments of an organization, not just siloed inside of an IT department. We'll talk about the ways that data governance impacts you as an analyst later in this course. Technology most certainly plays a role in all things in an organization. Organizations have technology not only in what they do or produce, but also in their back-office operations. Technology roles in data are vast. They may include server infrastructure for data, the security of data most certainly, and in some cases they control all access to the data as a part of the data governance plans. They should be actively involved in anything related to data governance. Data in an organization from an organizational role can be found at every level, from end user to a dedicated data and analysis department. Some organizations that are truly dealing with big data, which grows every day, have fully dedicated data departments where they have data scientists, data engineers, data analysts, dedicated to the data of the organization. When an organization doesn't have a dedicated data department, you will likely find these roles are being served within the technology department. The organizational role of data for any company is obvious. Improve their product, improve their service, improve their bottom line, and hopefully solve some worldwide problems. People that have worked in IT have suffered for years because they are in IT. They must know everything about technology. I'm here to tell you people who are server and database administrators have been forced to query and provide data to business users because they were the only people to have access to data and software to work with it. However, someone who enjoys learning, setting up, and securing servers is probably less than interested in building dashboards or visualizations. Technology has so many specialized skills that there is no such thing as a catch-all tech, no matter how often we try to force it in our organizations. I feel confident that if all of us in tech had our brains dissected for research purposes, they would detect some very vast differences between the ways we think. With that being said, we all have a role to play. I work with a multidisciplinary research team, and I provide them structured data sets. That's my role. The team is composed of economists, public health experts, and education experts. They're a guiding voice in all of our data sets and methods. Every research team, of course, will be different because they have different objectives. However, everyone on my team works with data in different ways. My role on that team is providing them data from multiple systems that's cleaned and ready to go. I serve as sometimes a data architect, sometimes a data engineer, and sometimes data analyst. The data guides the roles I'm required to play for my requirements on this team. Let's address the roles that require more than just a little experience, roles that you might want to strive for, like data architect. Just like it sounds, a data architect likely will define how data is stored, consumed, managed, integrated at the organizational level, and within IT systems. I think CIO.com really sums it up best with data architects are senior visionaries who translate business requirements into technology requirements and define data standards and principles. Everyone thinks they want to be a data scientist. And I think it's important to understand that the world needs more than just data scientists. They have a role to play. It requires data, coding, and stats analysis. I think that organizations are investing in data scientists, which is great, and if they don't have the other roles like data architects and data engineers, then those data scientists have to fulfill those roles before they can ever get to the data science. A data engineer serves an immensely valuable role for an organization. Data engineers can sometimes be found building databases or working within data warehouses. They eat, sleep, and breathe the transformation of data. In the end, they're tasked with dealing with data and making it meaningful for others to work with and consume. The role, however, is as broad as data itself. Data engineers are typically less concerned about the stats and more concerned about creating systems and datasets that can be turned over to further research, stats analysis, and/or data science use. I think you may commonly find that database administrators, database architects, data engineers, and data security are traditionally under the umbrella of the technology department. I have said for years that one day all end users will be technical, and today you'll find business users, or as IT refers to them, end users using tools that years ago would have only been used by IT employees. As data has grown and the need to dig deeper into business intelligence has increased, you'll find many data roles inside the business departments and the back-office operations. You may find titles like System Analyst or Business Analyst, and in both of those roles they're dealing with processes, systems, and you guessed it, data. You're likely to find System Analysts are going to be aligned with the IT department, and Business Analysts will be aligned to the business unit or business department. You will see roles that are for business intelligence analysts or specialists. These roles are traditionally going to people who work with the data to visualize it or report on it to improve the business. As you try to determine where you fit into the future of your career with data, learn a little bit about everything. The library is full of amazing different data-related courses for you to explore. And when you find your lane, learn everything you can. And guess what? You'll never stop learning because it changes all the time.